OMG, we're in week 6. We are now diving into AI assisted reflection. So, this is going to be really interesting because normally we just reflect on our own or maybe out loud with like our PLC in some kind of structured way. But I found it pretty intriguing to do reflection with a chatbot in an online course that I had taken. So I adapted that whole experience into a series of prompts for you to explore this week. So, in the learning essentials, there isn't a whole lot because we're focusing on reflection, but I do want you to take some time this week to go back to the instructional framework and annotate where you think AI might help teachers or educators enhance and achieve some of these goals, and what's better left to the human. So, just looking at the framework from a technology lens, there's nothing to turn in. So, just spend a few minutes looking at the framework and making some connections. The reflection journal piece is right here. This is the task for this week. You're not actually going to turn in your reflection. You're not going to turn in the chat that you're having or any documents, but you are going to talk about it a little bit and the experience in the discussion board. So if you click on the link, it's going to ask you to make a copy. And here are all the directions. You are going to be copying and pasting the prompts below. So let me scroll down here and show you. So here's the prompt that you're going to be giving your chatbot initially, kind of setting things up and letting it know how you want it to respond to your um, answers. And then on day 1, which could be immediately after you do this, you're going to answer these questions. You can copy and paste the question and put it in the bot and write your responses directly there, or you can fill it in on the doc. So, like, you could add your answers right here and then copy the question and the answer. And that's what you will go and give to your chatbot. And it's going to prompt you back with questions to continue the reflection. So, have that back and forth conversation. And it's structured for 7 days, and then you're going to ask it for a summary with key themes and insights from the entire week. But you don't have to do it over 7 days. It could happen in 1 day, 2 days, take a break, come back. It's whenever you can squeeze it in. But all the prompts are here with questions for you to answer. Lastly, after you finish with the whole reflection activity, the discussion board is just going to ask you to reflect on your reflection. So, very meta, just to reflect on the process, how it went, and if it helped deepen your understanding of the framework or yourself or AI and its capabilities. Just comment on anything that you've learned from that. And that is it for this week. All right, so that is almost it this week. We are about done with the 6-week AI fellowship program. We are going to have a final meeting on Google Meet. It is on December 10th from 4 to 5 p.m. And I will see you there. Happy reflecting.